We have here 2006 Ford Mustang. Lady's complaining that she feels the front end sliding when she turns. Well, if you feel the front end slide, you gotta have someone check the bushings and the lower control arms. These are her old control arms. See how they're cracked? You get the shifting inside, so the whole arm shifts. You need to inspect this real good, otherwise you won't see it. So we replaced it with a new. This is how it should look. No cracks. So you have no kind of play. You won't feel the front end slide when you're turning. We have to replace them on both sides. Thank you for watching.